Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up your Shopify account in Brazil. Now, the point of making these videos is to give you guys a complete breakdown of what information that you require, what strategy you need to implement, and how you need to execute that strategy to successfully start a dropshipping business in Brazil. Now, Shopify.com is a global commerce platform where you can build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And obviously they're available in 170 countries, and a total 10% of the US e-commerce is on Shopify.com. With a global economic activity of $444 billion, making it a very unique platform where you can earn a lot of money, guys. And one of the things that I absolutely love about Shopify.com is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required at all. All you need to do is select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And even more than that, guys, you can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere across the globe. And the beauty of it, guys, is because we live in the global world right now, in a digital age, in the internet era, we can clearly see that today is the time and period where we can reach everyone from South Africa to Argentina, to Russia, to China, to America or Australia or New Zealand or Canada. And we can sell to anyone and everyone in between as well. And that is why I always say, guys, Shopify.com is the place to be. Now, obviously, with the best converting checkout on the planet, you can back your business with a Shop Pay, the one-click checkout that's built to connect. And obviously, with the flexible point of sale to power your retail store, the POS system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. From the first touch to the full funnel, guys, you can find new shoppers with the SEO and social media and the content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are and build custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools, guys. And you can take control of your customer data to build custom audience and explore the customer's insight that drive ongoing growth, guys. And obviously manage your inventories and track your payments and add view real-time business insight all in one place, so you can focus on building your business and getting your product where they need to be with the integrated inventory management and streamlined returns and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network, guys. Manage your business's finance all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designed with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, if you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click start the free trial and they'll take you to the next page. On this page, guys, there's a couple of questions that you would be asked that you would need to answer. For example, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling in person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting. The next question is, where would you like to sell? And you can pick as many as you like, and you can always change them later. It could be an online store. It could be all of them, an existing website, social media, online marketplace, or in person. We're going to go with an online store where we can create a fully customizable website. Once you've selected it, you have to select the name for your store. So we're going to make sure that we select and do our research before you select any of the right name for your store. And that is the reason I always mention to individuals to select a name that reflects the quality of your store and what you are planning to sell. And guys, make sure that you do your research and look at the competition before you select any name. But for this video, we're just gonna go with this example and click on next. Now we need to select where our business is gonna be located, guys, because we're making it for Brazil and showing you guys how you can actually sell in Brazil. So if you're anywhere else in the world, just select Brazil. And once you select Brazil, you'll see that there is going to be information that's going to pop up, a notification about tax and duty, payment issues, shipping issues, localization, Shopify benefits, and terms of services. Now, obviously, we're going to look at all of these in a second. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So just click on next. And the last step, guys, is very simple and straightforward. For you to create a Shopify ID, you need to make sure that you continue with your email, your Apple ID, or your Facebook ID, or with your Google ID. Now, I always select Google Google ID because I feel Google has made everything so simple and straightforward. So let's select our email and wait for our store to be built. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. You can actually start your free trial over here by picking a plan, which I'm going to show you in a second, guys. But on the left hand side, you're going to have your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, and your discounts, and your online store as well. Now obviously the main thing that you need to do is go on settings, and once you go on settings, guys, the first thing that you're going to notice is the fact that where is your address is going to be. Now as we already selected Brazil, so this is correct. Once you've done it, we have to go to billing. Now in the billing section, guys, one of the most important things that you have to keep in mind, which I want to show you guys, which is crucial for you to understand, is the fact that what is your billing currency is going to be set as, is going to be set as US dollars. So that is correct as well, guys. And obviously if there's anything that you required, please make sure that you're looking at it in the right way, in the right country. After doing that, you have to go to shipping and delivery. Now obviously, because we're doing it for Brazil, we got to make sure that we have selected the right location for our shop for the local pickup and delivery. We're correct. You can clearly see Brazil is in the right place. Now once we have done it, then we have to go check the taxes and duties. Obviously the taxes and duties for every single country differ, but obviously we're doing it for Brazil, so we got to make sure that we're collecting the proper tax for Brazil. So we're going to include the taxes in the prices. We're going to include the tax on the shipping rates and charge the VAT on the digital goods as well. Once you've selected all of that, just click on save. Now it's going to be saved, guys. Now once it gets saved, we can head over to the next part, which is market. Now obviously you got to make sure that the primary market is based in Brazil, as you can see on the screen, guys. Now if you need to change anything, all you need to do is click on manage and it'll take you to the next page. On this page, make sure that your domain names, your product, and your pricing, and obviously your duties and imports are in the right manner over here. It's in the Brazilian real, which is correct. The duties and taxes have been sorted out, correct, and the domain name and the language is also done in the proper way. Now once you've done all of that, what you need to do is go over here and click on pick a plan. Now there's 3 plans that are available, guys. The first plan is the basic one, which is for $1 for the first 3 months, like I've told you before. The Shopify one is for $39 per month, and the advance is for $299 per month. If you pay yearly, you save 10%. If you pay for 2 years, you save 20%. If you pay for 3 years, you save 25%. I always recommend individuals to go for the basic and obviously start off at a very low cost so they can learn about exactly what the ins and outs of Shopify.com is all about. And once you get the hang of it and once your business takes off, then you can always upgrade. You can always upgrade. Now, if you got any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, assist you as well. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.